The State Health Department, through the Directorate of Health Services, today organized a panel discussion on COVID-19 at Pinewood Hotel, Shillong that was live-streamed on social media with the objective to disseminate proper information and awareness of COVID-19 vaccine and the importance of vaccination and COVID-appropriate behaviors. A Q&A session was held on the recent spiking of COVID-19 infection in the state by an expert panel comprising of several health officials of the state's medical institutions, moderated by Dr. Aman War, Director of Health Services, Dr. R. Lingdaw, Joint Director of Health Services in charge IDSP, Dr. Andreas Dakhar, Joint Director of Health Services SS Civil Hospital Shillong, Dr. P. Manners, Joint Director of Health Services cum State Immunization Officer, among other health experts, answered several FAQs pertaining to the coronavirus and the ongoing vaccination campaign, emphasizing on the hour's need for aggressive vaccination of the general public.
We have given the publicity regarding the vaccination. We have also clearly mentioned there that in spite of being vaccinated, there is every possibility that you can still be infected. That infection may not show in your body, but you get to spread to others. That is why the three cardinal things which I told you, the three W's, that stands. Even after you've completed your vaccination, even after you've completed your second dose.
Let me reiterate, the vaccine is not a cure. We don't have a cure. What the vaccine will do is, number one, reduce the severity if by the unfortunate circumstance that you happen to contract the virus, it will reduce the severity in you, but it will not cure you. It is not a cure. So even after being fully vaccinated, you still need to follow your precautions, because if you look at it from the other side, a person who has been vaccinated, if he were to contract the virus, may not show signs and symptoms. But there is still a chance that he may transmit the virus from one person from him to the next person, even though small studies have shown, from Italy, small studies have shown that the risk of transmission of those vaccinated is still much lower than those who have not been vaccinated, but it is not zero. A person who has been vaccinated can still transmit, even though the chances of transmission after vaccination is still low. That is why, to cover up that last part, we still advise that you have to wear your mask, maintain your social distance, and follow the third W is wash your hands.